Howdy! My name is Haley, and I'm an engineering student at the University of Colorado Boulder studying creative technology and design. Have you ever thought about how your body turns food into energy? Or why your laundry detergent knows how to fight off those pesky food stains? Well, the secret is in the form of tiny little powerhouses called enzymes. In today's lesson, we're going to explore the world of enzymes. We'll learn how enzymes help break down the food we eat, and how engineers harness their powers to make our lives easier. So buckle up, because we're about to break down enzymes, and maybe even a few stains along the way. Let's get started. Okay, so what exactly are enzymes? Enzymes are proteins that live in your body and help break down the food you eat. Think of them like tiny machines, constantly working to speed up the chemical reactions happening inside of us. Without enzymes, we'd be stuck with food that's too big for our bodies to use. Yikes. There are 3 types of enzymes that aid with food digestion. First, we've got amylase. Amylase breaks down carbohydrates, like pasta, bread, and even sugary treats. Amylase is the fastest acting enzyme. This is why you feel such a quick energy boost after eating a carb-heavy meal. Whoa, careful there. Next up is protease. This enzyme breaks down proteins, like meat, cheese, and beans. Without protease, our bodies wouldn't be able to use protein to build muscles and even immune cells. Last but not least, there's lipase. Lipase breaks down fats, like oil, butter, and avocado. Lipase works the slowest of the 3, which is why fats sometimes feel heavier in your stomach after eating them. Enzymes are essential because they convert the food we eat into something our bodies can use for energy. Without them, we wouldn't be able to go on those long runs or stay focused in class. Yeah, I see you zoning out. Now that we know what enzymes are and their different types, let's talk about where all the action happens. The digestive system. Throughout the digestive system, enzymes work non-stop to break down food every step of the way. The moment you take a bite, amylase in your saliva starts breaking down carbohydrates. Once food reaches your stomach, protease helps digest proteins in this acidic environment. Then, in the small intestine, lipase kicks in to break down fats, while the pancreas releases even more enzymes to finish the job. Finally, these nutrients get absorbed into the bloodstream, giving your body the energy it needs. Enzymes are powerful proteins. In fact, engineers have caught on to their usefulness and have even figured out how to use them to get stains out of our clothes. Yes, you heard that right. Don't you just hate it when you're at a fancy dinner and you spill spaghetti sauce all over your favorite white shirt? We've all been there, right? No, just me? Awkward. Engineers have developed laundry detergents with special enzymes that target and fight off different types of stains. For example, protease can help break down protein stains, like blood or eggs. Amylase works best for starchy stains, like those from potatoes, bread, or rice. Lipase is perfect for breaking down oily stains like butter or even pasta sauce. Yes! It's pretty wild to think that engineers use the same enzymes in your body to help clean your clothes. What might seem like a simple bottle of detergent is actually the result of some pretty smart thinking by us engineers. Beyond laundry detergents, engineers study how enzymes work in our bodies, then develop solutions with this knowledge to help make our everyday lives easier. Especially in food production, medicine, and even biofuels. So, now that you know how enzymes work in both your body and in laundry detergents, think about this. How else could engineers use the powerful forces of nature to solve everyday problems? Maybe you have an engineering idea that could take inspiration from nature's tricks. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Check out the full lesson on the Teach Engineering website. Then, follow the engineering design process to solve real-world problems with our associated activity, Clean Green Washing Machine Challenge.